So, here's what we did guys. Ganito pa ginawa natin. Servo, pinasok natin sa loob. We put in the servo inside the BB mechanism which we cut off. Okay, pinutol pa natin dito yan. Tapos pinalaki ko lang to. Yung butas dito. Made the hole bigger for the servo to fit here. Okay, then ito Lexan, just an extra Lexan na ginamit ko parang linkage. So I use this Lexan as a linkage and strong enough to do the job. Ayan. So pag na trigger, it will pull the Lexan, which basically will pull the barrel and also push after it fired, so it will have the barrel recoil effect. So ganun lang, it's very simple, cost saving, but effective, but it works. And good thing with this setup, you don't have to use a reverser depending on the servo. So this one I put it here because it pulls to the left, or it rotates to the left. Other servos rotates to the right. So it really depends on the servo that you're using. So with this setup, you can easily just change or switch the linkage to left or right to left, depending where the servo rotates. Ayan, very simple. This is actually a lot easier than the previous one I did a few years ago, dahil metal po yung barrel recoil, or barrel, sorry. So pag metal yung barrel, typically naka-hiwalay na siya, separate siya dito sa mantlet. With plastic barrels, you will have to cut off the barrel, but this one there's no need to do that. Okay.